Rolex is no longer the favorite watch brand of celebrities around the world, and over the past 5 years, this 150-year-old brand has actually beaten Cartier, Omega, and Patek Philipe to take the number 2 spot. They sell no more than 50,000 pieces a year, and despite that, do over $2.5 billion of revenue, which means their average watch sells for more than $50,000 and is worn by all major cricketers, musicians, rappers, and in fact, even movie stars. I'm talking about Audemars Piguet, which has actually been able to achieve it by following two principles in business. The first is of course limiting supply, which applies to all luxury products. But the second is where comes in the key. They own their distribution. Over 70% of all AP watches sold in a year are actually sold by them directly, which is far ahead a percentage compared to all other watch brands. Which means if you are a massy product or brand, you need to ensure that you're seen more to be sold. However, if you're luxury and premium, remember, you should be easy to find and hard to get. And that only happens when you're present on your own distribution. Share it with someone who may need it.